Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL 8.0.40 on Kali Linux 2024. But the process is same on all Kali Linux versions. Open terminal. See, by default we won't get the MySQL as pre-installed software. See, we got the MariaDB, so it is not started and disabled. So to install MySQL, we have to uninstall this MariaDB by running the command sudo apt get remove --fudge. Then give the MariaDB star. Hit enter, type and hit enter. I will keep this command in the video description. It is done. Now run auto remove. Type and hit enter. Ctrl L. After installation of MariaDB, verify the status of MariaDB. Sudo systemctl status MariaDB. See, you don't have MariaDB. Even if you try like previous MySQL, see, you don't have MySQL. Okay. So now we are going to install MySQL 8.0.40. So open any web browser. Then go to mysql.com. Then click on downloads. Then click on MySQL community downloads. Then click on MySQL community server. Then select the MySQL 8.0.40. Select Ubuntu Linux. Then select Ubuntu Linux 24.04. Then we have to download. See, here we have the list of Debian packages. Instead of downloading each package, download this deb bundle. So click on download. Now click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is 483 megabytes. Wait until download complete. Download is complete. Now open terminal. Go to downloads. Let's see, here we have the MySQL server 8.0.40 tar file. We have to untar this one. Tar accept. Give MySQL first 3 letters or 4 letters. Hit enter. Let's see, here we have the .debian packages. We have to install these packages. Before installing, install these packages. It is already installed. Okay. Now install the MySQL 8.0.40. Sudo dpkg -i start.deb. Hit enter. Let me change the font. Hit enter. Now we have to set the password for the root account. Then hit enter, confirm the same, hit enter, new authentication method. So see, here we have 2 methods. Use up and down arrow, select the respective one that you want. But the first one is recommended. It is up to you. Okay, enter. See, we have successfully installed MySQL. Let us verify. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL failed, but it is installed. So let us start it. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Hit enter. Now verify the status again. See, we have successfully started the MySQL service. Okay. Ctrl A. Now connect to MySQL server. MySQL -u root -p. Hit enter. Then provide the password of root account that we have given. See, we have successfully installed MySQL server version 8.0.40. Let us verify version by running the command. Select version. See, we have installed MySQL Server version 8.0.40. Control L. Now verify list of databases. So databases, see here we have, these are the list of the databases that are comes with MySQL installation. To create new database, create database bank. Now verify again, show databases. See, new database is there. Now switch to this database and create some objects. Show tables. See, we don't have any tables, so let us create a table. Create table. See, we have one table. Let us insert some data into this table. Control C. Let us verify the data. See, we have inserted these three rows. Now let us create a user. Show users to verify list of users, but this won't work. So we can get the list of the users by running the command select user mysql.user. Select user from mysql.user. Okay, see, these are the list of the users that comes with MySQL installation. So create a user, create user James identified by provide the password. Now verify again, select user mysql.user. Again I missed it from class. See, we have created user. Okay, Control A. Now exit and connect with this new user mysql -u James -p. It is typo. See, we have successfully connected. Now try to switch to this bank database which we have created. See, access denied for the user James to this bank database. Okay, so to connect to a database, we have to grant the privileges to this user. Exit, or you can give the exit command. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart MySQL service. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Now verify the status. See, MySQL service is stopped. Control A. Now also try by connecting to MySQL. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL service stopped. Let us start it again. Now verify the status. See, MySQL service is running. If you want to restart, just replace the start or status with restart flag. Now verify again. See, MySQL service started. Okay, Control A, ls. See, these files are not required anymore, so remove these files. rm star.deb ls, remove this star file also. rm mysql, give the tab. It is done. Clear. See, we have cleared the space. Control A. We can also connect MySQL by using MySQL Workbench and dbeaver. Okay. If you want to download dbeaver, go to dbeaver.io. There is a link in the video description, or you can search for my channel how to download and install dbeaver on Kali Linux. Then you can see how to connect to MySQL server. See, here we have two versions, dbeaver Community and dbeaver Pro. So you have to click on download. After that, you have to click on Debian package. Then we need to install by using same sudo dpg command. Okay, so you can go through my channel and install it. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL 8.0.40 on Kali Linux 2024. For more MySQL or Kali Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.